Is Wix Editor free? Yes, the Wix Editor is free to use, but with limitations. You can access the drag-and-drop editor on Wix's free plan, which allows you to design and publish a fully functional website without any coding knowledge. The editor is intuitive and beginner-friendly, making it easy to customize templates, add elements like text and images, and create pages. However, the free plan includes Wix-branded ads on your site, and you won't get a custom domain. Your URL will look like yourname.wixsite.com. Additionally, advanced features like e-commerce tools, ad-free hosting, and SEO optimization are locked behind Wix's premium plans, which start at $16 per month. In short, while the Wix editor itself is free to use, the restrictions on the free plan often make upgrading necessary for a professional website. If this video helped clarify how the Wix editor works, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching.